G'day viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Heevanlee Tai Chi and Yoga. My name is Todd. So on this channel you're going to learn specific yoga practice and postures and flows to help you lose weight, increase your strength, increase your mobility, increase your flexibility. You'll learn particular yoga flow classes to assist a particular area of interest in your life. So you might be running and say, okay, what yoga class can I do to assist that? So I'll post particular themes like that. I've already got up there yoga for cyclists, yoga for swimmers, also particular themes of pain points like yoga for scoliosis. You can look at those. And also I'll break down yogic postures, what I call the fundamental series. So you'll be able to see how I break down the postures, what sort of props can assist you in getting the full expression of the posture. I'll introduce you also to what I call the Movement Master Series. Well, I'll be talking to particular thought leaders and movement leaders in their particular practice that are crossing boundaries, right? So yoga integration of martial arts into Thai massage, yoga into Thai massage. We'll also be talking to people who've been doing yoga for a long, long time, who can impart their wisdom onto us all. And finally, I'm going to introduce what I call the Yoga for Movie series, which is basically a yoga themed class based on a particular movie. So look out for that in the future. Now, here's a little Easter egg for you. I was recently in a movie called The Personal History of David Copperfield. So what I want you to do, watch that movie, and if you see me there, put a note in the comment below, and if I see the comment from you there, I will send you a amazing Heevanlee Tai Chi yoga meditation hat anywhere in the world. So there's a limited number of these. I've got about 5 that for the first people to get in, you will get it. So give that a shot, and I look forward to seeing your comments in the section below here. Now, if this is your first time here, click the like button, any of the videos, so I know what you like so I can publish more of that. Remember to subscribe so you get notified when I publish new videos. So with all that in mind, thanks for visiting the channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you're getting value and enjoyment from what I'm bringing to you. Look, my attitude is laid back, but structure with alignment within the practice. It's very important when you're practicing, you've got the mindfulness within the practice so you're aware of what's going on at all times. So I bring that focus and attention to the practice. You know, my background is multidisciplinary. So yoga, tai chi, meditation, animal movements, yoga integration with martial arts from Budokan, from yoga integration martial arts from the yogic arts from Duncan Wong, and my obviously infinite Tai Chi Qigong meditation from a gentleman named Jason Chan. So I've got a lot to share with you guys, so I hope you really enjoy it, get some value from it, and nothing left to say except have an awesome day wherever you are in the world, and namaste. Namaste.